The Sun Dolphin 5 is not only good fun, it's also good for you. Cruise the lake in comfort with the whole family while getting your workout in at the same time. Now that's multitasking. The Sun Dolphin 5 comes with these great features. Steering handle for navigation. Comfortable seats so you can stay out longer. Seats 5 passengers so you can bring family and friends. Beverage holders for every seat. Built-in cooler or storage area allows you to bring everything you'll need. Pedal positions for 1, 2, or 3 passengers. Super tough paddle wheel glides through the water with ease. UV protected, dent resistant material. Limited lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Optional deluxe canopy protects from the sun. Pedal your way to the best summer you've ever had in style with the Sun Dolphin 5. Sun Dolphin, leisure taken seriously.